Room is pretty big. This air conditioner goes down this entire room. Comes with the remote. It has a sleep mode, a lock mode, a timer, 5 different speeds, y'all, a fan mode, and a dehumidifier. Also an energy saver. One of the best things that I got from the TikTok shop, y'all. It was so easy to hook up. You just put it close to a window. You're good to go. Right now is a perfect time to get it before it gets too hot outside. I know I don't want to run my air all the time, so this is like perfect. If you don't want to run your air all the time, or if you just need air, I'm going to link it down there.